Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will learn how to have a better understanding of comprehension and basics of reading comprehension. Basically, in this video lecture, we will try to cover a paragraph. We will try to practice it in order to get the idea of how the comprehension thing works. So basically we will read a comprehension and आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि मैं आपके लिए ये comprehension एक दफ़ा रीड करूँगी, आप इस वीडियो को यहाँ पे पॉज करके comprehension को खुद पढ़ सकते हैं, इसकी एक अच्छी सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद जो है वो अगली स्लाइड्स में मैंने इसके क्वेश्चंस डाले हैं। अगेन आप वहाँ पर दोबारा से पॉज करें और उसके बाद जो आपने पूरा का पूरा comprehension पढ़ा है उसके जो भी क्वेश्चंस आ गए हैं उनको आप एक दफ़ा एनालाइज करें कि आपको उसके आंसर्स आते हैं कि नहीं। उसके बाद व्हेन यू आर डन विद द आंसर थिंग उनको आप नोट डाउन कर लें और नोट डाउन करने के बाद जो लास्ट स्लाइड में मैंने आंसर्स डाले हैं उसे टैली कर लें। ठीक है, दैट इज काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So the paragraph reads, to prepare for a career in engineering, a student must begin planning in high school. Mathematics and science should be the form of core curriculum. For example, in a school where 16 credit hours are required for high school graduation, 4 should be in mathematics, 1 each in chemistry, biology, and physics. The remaining credits should include 4 in English and at least 3 in humanities and social sciences. And the average entering freshman in engineering should have achieved at least 2.5 grade point average on a 4.0 scale in his or high school. And although deficiencies can be corrected during the first year, the students who need additional work should expect to spend 5 years instead of 4 years to complete a degree. So basically the questions in this regard are, the first question is, what is the average grade point for an entering freshman in engineering? The second question in this regard is, when should a student begin planning for a career in engineering? The third question is, how can a student correct deficiencies in preparation? And fourth is, how many credits should have student in English? And fifth is, how many credits are required for a high school diploma? Now you are supposed to pause the video and check in the questions by yourself, and once you are done, then you can resume it. So basically the answers to all these questions, the first question, the answer to it is 2.5. To get the 2.5 is the average grade point for entering the freshman in engineering. And for the question number 2, the answer is high school. High school is a place where students should begin planning for their career in engineering. Question number 3, that how can a student correct deficiencies? That is by spending 5 years in that educational institute. And how many credits should a student have in English? Obviously it's the 4, and that was quite evident in your comprehensive paragraph. And at the last, how many credits are required for a high school diploma? So they are basically 16. This is all. Thank you so much.